Dear user, thank you for choosing Labsathi.com for your laboratory needs. If you're not familiar with our website, here are some stepwise instructions to get to our website and how to place orders. First of all, you have to type a prompt labsathi.com. This will take you to our website where all the products are listed at one place. So this is how our website layout looks like, and the first step is that you log in to our website by making an account for yourself. For that, you can make an account using your Google, using your Facebook ID, or you can do an OTP sign in by your phone number. I'm going to choose the option by Google login. You can choose any of these three. So once I click on the Google login, it's gonna ask for a name and also going to ask for a phone number. I'm gonna put a phone number that's handy to me because it's gonna send me one OTP that I will need for the login in a little bit. So I'm gonna put this number and I'm gonna update, and once I click on there will be an OTP that I have to put in the website in order to get a very secure login. Remember that Labsathi does not share any of your personal information with anyone, so this login is pretty secure. So the OTP for this sign in is 945488. Once you have put the OTP, you have to just verify it. This will ensure that your login is already secured on our website and your numbers and your information on the website is not misused. Okay, once you are on the website, we can start looking for item from the top. You can type chemicals and you will see all type of chemical being listed on the website, and you can go to the chemicals you would like to have. If you don't want to type on the main portal, you can also go to the particular category and you can select the category you want. If you are a principal and you're operating an entire school, then you probably don't want to order all the instrument and the chemicals one by one because that can be a very tiresome task. In that case, you can go to the specific lab equipment and you can go to which section you want to go to, and then you can select the instrument you want. In other case, you can also go for school lab packages where you can go to the categories in here and then you can select for the school lab packages. Just say, for example, for now I'm selecting a physics lab package, and in that, if I enter in the physics lab package, I can see that I have all sorts of flexibility to select the type of package according to my lab area. Say if my lab area is 600 square feet, I want to go with this package. If the school is CBSE board, I can select the package as per that requirement. For this particular example, let's say my lab space area is roughly 800 square feet and I operate for an ICSE board school. So I select all of these requirements, and I can also go to the description of each package individually in the bottom, where what are we providing in the each package is also listed. So by all that information, now we have selected the physics lab package and it's time to add it into the cart. So as you can see here, my one product is successfully added in the cart. Now I want to go back and I want to order something more in this section. So let's say I want to select microscopes in the life science section. So once I click on the microscope, I will see all type of microscopes that are present on our website. So but I don't forget to select a filter from here because this filter works better in getting you one particular type of microscope that you want to probably buy. So let's say that I want to buy this trinocular microscope. So I'm going to click on this particular microscope to get to know more about its specification and its total pricing. So I can see that all the key features of this microscopes are listed down here, and all the applications that you can perform on this particular microscope. Once I have gone through the product details and I have checked the price of my product, I can go and add this product into the cart as well. This is also added in the cart successfully. In the next phase, what we're going to do is we're going to check out after we added all of these into our cart. Once you have all the products that you needed for one time of purchase added in the cart, you can go into the shipping details and then you can type in the name. Once I have the name and also the phone number added, type in my full address where I want this product to be delivered, then I can save this address and this will automatically save this address into my login information. Now I want to keep my delivery address same as the billing address, so I'm going to tick on this mark, and now this is going to reduce my task of putting address again into the order. Once I have performed all of these shipping details properly, then the next section is for the payment. And you can also apply a promo code. There is always buzzing deals going on our website, so please feel free to check out our website, and whatever promo code you are eligible for, you can put this promo code here and you can hit apply to reduce the amount on your orders. Then I'm gonna just click on proceed to next because so it will not allow me to proceed to the next step until and unless I am finishing all the address requirements, because that is important for the product to be delivered on right place. So once I have put all the information, as you can see, now it can proceed to the next step. In the next step, once you are on the payment tab, there are many options that you are seeing right now. In this case, now things can go two ways. One is that if you are a private vendor, then you want to go with the digital payment, and then in that case you can choose the option of the Razorpay or UPI as well. Then once you select the Razorpay vendor, it will take you to a different tab. Once you click on the Razorpay, then check on proceed to payment, and this will take you to the Razorpay tab. And in that, within these three dots, you will also see an option listed as UPI payment. You can also add your card here, and then once you'll hit continue, your order will be placed right after. Let's talk about the another scenario. If you are a government official and you want to use the gem for your payment, in that case you go to offline payment method, and then you can select net banking, and then in the net banking you can put all of this information, like the payment is done by whom, and it will be always done to the Ebonix India. And then you can also send us a note in order how you want to be processed this particular payment. This particular method is very helpful if your file runs through the government system for a very long time and you're not affiliated with the gem. So this system is for net banking. On the other hand, if you are registered on gem, then in the same method you can select an option proceed with gem, and in that we will ask you a mobile number and a payment note. Who's the contact person? Make sure you give us the contact person name who is handling all your gem related queries, and also if you know the mobile number of the person, that is a requirement, so you have to provide us a right information here in order for us to contact that person. Once we have these two information, you just have to click on submit, and then your somebody from Labsathi will contact the gem representative of your institute and get your order placed on time. So with that, thank you so much for choosing Labsathi for your lab supply, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.